Hi everyone, Mr. Joyce here. You're probably wondering why I'm talking to you through a mirror. No, I haven't quite gone that crazy during lockdown. It's because our focus this week is reflection. Right, first of all, let's recap what reflection is and what you need to do when reflecting a 2D shape across a mirror line. Our two key math skills we're working on this week is reflection, where you need to flip a 2D shape, and translation, when you have to slide a 2D shape, and you'll be working on that later this week. My top tips for reflecting is to count how many squares from the mirror line each corner is from the shape that you need to reflect, and then repeat that on the other side of the mirror line. Once you've done that, you can draw a dot for each corner and join them up. Let's look at that in a little bit more detail. Here I've drawn a triangle in the first quadrant, and I'm going to reflect it across the y-axis, which is acting as my mirror line. I've marked the top corner as A, and if I count the squares, that is 5 squares from the mirror line. So in the second quadrant, corner A needs to be 5 squares from the y-axis. Once I've done that, I can work out the rest of the dots for my shape and then join them together to create my reflection. For most of the tasks, you're asked to record the coordinates of your reflected shape, which I've done there on the side. You may need to reflect your shape across the x-axis as well. Same as before. Just count how many squares the corners are from that mirror line. So A here again is 5 squares, and then join in the rest of the dots and you've got your reflected shape. Right, got that? For Wednesday's reflection task, you're going to need to draw your own coordinates grid. If you've got square paper, fantastic, or you can maybe print off that particular page, but it is possible to just do it on blank paper like I've done here. And it asks you to draw a 5 or 6 sided shape in the first quadrant. I've done mine. I just did the dots first and then joined it up. And then you reflect that shape into the other quadrants or across the different mirror lines. And then it asks you to record the coordinates for each shape. We did coordinates last week. And then explain or describe the different patterns that you notice from your reflected shapes. Have a go. Good luck. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? What? Mrs. Summerhays? Typical. Right, enough of me. Stay safe. Until next time. Bye.